So hi, it's Nick Drew and I'm here today with our friends Dave Vickers plant, and we're going to be trying out the new Diggerlid. This is a new product for people, owner operators who want to work in the rain. It's a canopy that's got lots of little features on it, which I'm going to take you around and show you right now. There's these panels on both sides, and at the rear here, that is folded up, and obviously you've got that for visibility. As I say, the same on this side. That gets folded up. Obviously you get into the machine this way, and so that zips down. Another zip here. Then you have these straps which you use to tighten it up. So there we go, we've mounted the Diggerlid onto the machine and opened up the visibility panels. So now it's time to get in and see what it's like to operate with it on. So once you're inside, you just zip up, zip there. As you can see right ahead of you. You get visibility on either side and to the rear, and keeps you dry. So there we go, we tried out the Diggerlid today, and it's been a breezy day. Ironically, yesterday it was pouring rain and we'd have really seen the benefits of it, but it has kept the wind off us, and with storms expected later this week, I'm sure Dave and his team are going to see the benefits of the Diggerlid to keep the elements off them. And yeah, I'd just like to thank Dave for loaning us the machine, and the rest of the team from Vickers plant, and also, of course, most importantly, to the guys in Australia at Diggerlid who sent this over for us to try.